Hey guys, welcome to Monday Outdoors. I'm going to show you something interesting. Boom, there it is. It's a Cajun. This baby is a dinosaur. I mean, straight up dinosaur. But she is one work horse. Man, I wish I could see all the fish this baby's brought in. Man. She is 1986. I've been all over the interweb. Man, I can't find nothing. Old Johnson, 2-stroke. Man, she smokes a little bit. She'll fire up and go on. She's something serious. But man, if y'all know anything about these boats, let me know. I ain't had long, couple years. I ain't had no problems. My wife rebuilt the carburetor once. Yeah, she does all my mechanic work. She's pretty spiffy on that. Man, this thing's got so many switches on it. They don't work whatsoever. Most of the gauges down there do though. I even duck hunt out of her. Me and my boy does. We're here in Mississippi. My son lives in North Carolina. So we're gonna do a bunch of fishing videos and hunting videos and just whatever we can do. I think he's even gonna cook up something for y'all. Yeah, kind of rednecky around here. But she carpet been redone about a year ago. She is one dinosaur. She has seen a lot. Check out my rods. That's my baby right there. That's what I troll, catch my catfish on. Y'all see that? I troll that baby, catch my catfish. But I love her though. She'll crank, run, and go. So that's pretty much what I'm working with for right now. We're gonna try to put out as many videos as we can. So y'all just stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, the little bell. We get it all. Love y'all.